What up, go farms? I know it's been a while since I've fucking. Oh shit, I'm going blind for a second. I'm getting glasses. So, you know. Yeah, it's been a while since I've vlogged. I don't know what else to say. I'm still working on my merch. I haven't got it yet. It's gonna be Cobra Kai merch with a little goats on it. Right now I'm making myself some dinner. Pizza! It is a crappy day. It's going to be Halloween soon. So, I hope you guys are having fun. I hope you guys are having fun at school. I hope you guys are having fun at school. Fun at school. Fun at school. School. Staying out of trouble. Like me. Yeah. But I have a girlfriend now. She's at her house right now. So, yeah. And all these girlfriends, you're the goats. You guys are watching this show. Peace. Subscribe. Comment down below. Watch my next for my next videos. Peace.
Maybe they said cringy so that like it's